Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where YouTube sign-in is not working on your television. So if you're on the YouTube app on your television and you're trying to click on the sign in button, but either it's not working or nothing is happening, then keep watching, as in this video, I'll show you a few ways to go and solve this issue. Now, the first method to go and fix this is by trying to reset the YouTube app. Now we can do this directly in YouTube itself. So once you have the YouTube app on your screen, just use the left arrow key to come over to the navigation bar. We're then going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on Settings. Scroll right down to the bottom again until you see the option called Reset App. Go ahead and select this and then use the arrow key to come over to the right. And then we can just press OK and press OK to confirm again. Now that should take you straight over to the YouTube Get Started page. And from here, you can just click on Get Started, and then you can use one of the sign-in options to try signing in with your YouTube account. So for example, if you're already signed into YouTube on your mobile device, then you can just try scanning this QR code here to go and log yourself into your television. Now, if that's not working, the next solution is to try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. So to do that, you just need to head over to the home screen of your television. I'm just going to press this home button here. Use the left arrow key to come all the way over to apps. Now, it may look slightly different depending on your model of television, but essentially you just need to come over to the apps page on your TV. Now, from the apps page, you need to find where your installed apps are located. So for me, if I scroll down, you can see this list of downloaded apps. And from here, we just need to scroll over and come over to YouTube. Now, what you can do is hold down the middle button on your TV remote. And you see here, we have this option to go in reinstall. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on this to reinstall the application, but you may have to uninstall the application and then use the search box to go in reinstall the app. Once again, it just comes down to what model of television that you're using. Now, once you've reinstalled the YouTube app, you can then try loading it back up and checking if that solves the sign-in issue. If it's still not working, the next solution is to try power cycling your television. Now, to do that, you just need to turn off your TV. We then need to come round to the wall socket and make sure your TV is unplugged from the main power supply. We're going to leave this unplugged for around about 20 seconds, and while this is unplugged, you need to come round to the physical power button on your television. This is usually located right in the middle underneath the television logo, but sometimes the button can also be located on the back of the TV. It just really depends on your model. So once you've found the power button on your television device, you just need to hold down this button for around about 10 seconds, and this will drain any residual power left in the TV. Once you've done that, you can release this button and re-plug your television back into the power supply. Once your television's plugged back in, you can try turning it on and opening up YouTube, and that should have now solved the sign-in issue. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.